How do I make sense of all the things that are happening in my immigration case? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. I was doing a Facebook and YouTube Live the other day. We do these now every Tuesday and Thursday from 12 until 1 p.m. Central Time. Please feel free to join us in our Immigrant Home Facebook group for that, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can ask us whatever questions you want. We're getting a lot of great engagement and having a lot of fun on the show. But today's question comes from Xerxes, and Xerxes put a question in the chat, didn't come on camera, and I didn't get a chance to answer it. And it sounds like Xerxes has an overseas visa case with a priority date of October 21st, 2019. And Xerxes asked, Jim, after I filed my case, there was an announcement from Trump of a travel ban involving my kind of case. And then shortly after that, my case got sent, I got a transfer notice that my case was being sent to the Texas Service Center. What does this all mean? And Xerxes, this is why I wanted to shoot your video today. The thing is that you can't read too much into the little things that happen in your case. It seems to me in your question, Xerxes, that you think that the travel ban had something to do with your case being transferred, or that your priority date led it to being transferred. And you just can't put too much stock or read too much into the little things that happen in your case. If your case gets sent from one service center to another, all that means is that the case is being processed at another office because that office is a little less busy than the one that had it before. You can't read too much into it. I know that a lot of people, when their case gets transferred, they jump on the internet and look at the processing times for that service center. It's all sort of a waste of time. I would say that when you file your case, just let it run its course. You know, if the case gets off track and your case gets delayed, then we can talk about maybe suing them to get your case back on track. But for the most part, a lot of this is out of your control. So you can't really read too much into the little twists and turns that your case takes. And if you sort of live and breathe and die based on what happens on these little electronic updates, you're really going to drive yourself up a wall and sort of go crazy. So I would encourage you, Xerxes, and anybody else who's going through a process like this, don't worry too much about this. Now, one of the great things about working with an immigration lawyer is that you don't have to do these day-by-day calculations and analysis. You can just rely on the attorneys to help inform you what's going on in your case. So I really think that you're going to be much better off, Xerxes and other friends, if you just let it run its course and don't read too much into it. Because a lot of times you'll make these connections that aren't really valid connections, and there's reasons that cases get delayed or transferred that have nothing to do with the merits of your case, but more about the ins and outs of what's going on at USCIS. So if you have questions about this, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. And if you like this video, we ask that you please share it out on social, and that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get updates whenever we make videos just like this one. And just like Xerxes did, be sure to join us in our Facebook Live, our YouTube Live on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Central. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.